Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time, and then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload, and then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. But yeah, let's get into the video. What's up, guys? So for today's video, I gotta do this fast because I gotta go. I'm gonna be talking about my my favorite brushes to blend with, or just to do an eyeshadow with in general. I have no idea where these brushes are, but I'm gonna slowly pick them out. So one of them is gonna be this Morphe M456 brush. It is this little brush. As you can see, it's like skinny on the side and it gets fat like that. But this is perfect for like tapping color into your crease. And then I like to swirl off the extra in like a color changer. Okay, sorry for this. Oh my god. Ah! Whoops. So, let's never do that again. Ugh, everything just fell on the floor. Oh my god, there's glitter all over. Anyways, so this M456, perfect for pushing color into the crease, and then I use my color switch, and then I blend it out just a little bit. So that's one. And then another one is going to be this one. This is one of my newer favorites. This is the M506 brush. It's like a super tiny crease brush. Like if you consider it to this is essentially the same thing, only this one is bigger and this one's smaller. So this one, you use it to, or I like to use it to blend on the right above the crease, just to blend it out. And then you can use this to pull your eyeshadow out if you don't want to go too crazy and you want to be a little bit more precise. And I also really like this brush for right here under the eye, only because it's super small and you can use the very end to put the color down. You can even kind of stamp a little bit, but multi-use, you know? So I'm going to go into this brush, the one I was just showing off, the bigger one. This is the M441. A lot of people use this. It is a super big crease brush. This one is very good if you want to do something very natural. You just go into like a transition shade, so like a lightish brown or something close to your skin color, and you kind of just buff that into the crease. And then you could go in with something a little bit darker and kind of push that in instead of blending it out. And you could go, leave, do whatever you're going to do. I really enjoy that brush. I have a love-hate with this brush. This is the Morphe 443. It's kind of like a bigger version of, I believe, the first one I showed you guys, of this one. They kind of have like the same shape where they're like fat like this, but if you turn them sideways, they kind of get skinnier. This one kind of serves the same purpose as this one. This one, you can use it to create bigger looks. So you can even put your transition with this and blend it out, kind of like a crease brush. And you can use this to deepen it up with a darker color, just stamping it into the crease. That's something that I would like to do. And then, what's another one? I go back and forth with this brush because this is the Morphe 321. I don't even know what to call this. It's like a little precision little thing. It looks like it's like a stubby version of this one. If you can kind of see, this one is a little more fluffy. This one's a little bit more dense and compact. This one though, it picks up shimmers amazingly, and I like to put it, I use this for my inner corner, but I've been using my pinky a lot for my inner corner, and I just kind of blend it out like that because I like it to go up. So there's that. What else we got? Oh, I like this. This is the Morphe 410. It's like a flat little skinny brush. I just use this to put product like on the waterline, or if I need to make like a eyeshadow, what's it called? Like a winged liner with eyeshadow. I can do that too. And then I feel like I have some. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm missing one. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm dropping everything. Okay. Okay, there's this little brush. This is the M213. This is what I like to use my cut creases with. It's like a very, what is it? It's like a round, but then when you turn it tighter, it's a very thin, like. And I like to use this to cut my crease because I don't know why. I have a problem getting into here with the product. So this one kind of just like puts it there. I look up and then I'm able to cut it super fast. So there's that one. What else? What else do I need? Honestly, I think that's it for like blending. Oh, I actually do like this. This is a Kat Von D number 40 brush. It's her little concealer brush. But this one's cool for smoking out the lower lash line. Only because it's like, it's got like a, this is a very unique shape. It's like a square, but like on the side it's like super thin. So you can kind of like, just really go back and forth. And you could probably use this to pack on color on the lid too. I've never tried it that way, but that's what it looks like it can be used for. I don't usually use that for concealer because I don't usually use that much concealer. What else are we working with? Okay. Oh, I like this brush. This is the Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush. These are like drugstore, but they're kind of expensive. But they're very high quality. I really enjoy them. I like a lot of them that I bought. I think I bought them with a eye set, but I use this to kind of blend out the crease if I have any harsh lines. It's a very like kind of dense blending brush. And then what else do I got? Oh yeah, there's these two. I have the small eyeshadow brush, and then I have the large eyeshadow brush. They're kind of like domes. I just use it to push on product onto my lid in case I want like more color. And then what else do I got? Yeah, honestly, I think that's it. But yep, let's play the outro. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all, like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8. And I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.